Hey y'all, it's your girl Marie Burgos from Jolita Lashes, and today I did a rose gold inspired makeup look. If you want to know how I got this, please continue watching, and this video is brought to you by Kyrie Productions. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be priming my face with Baby Face by Maybelline to prep my skin for my foundation. I'll be taking Fenty Beauty and Maybelline Fit Me Poreless and mixing those two foundations together. Next, I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable and concealing my under eyes. Then I'll be taking the Airspun Translucent Powder to set my concealer under my eyes and using the remaining to set the rest of my face. Okay, while I let this sit, I'll be taking my NYX brow stencil to fill in my brows. I normally start underneath to outline it, and then I do the top after, and then I fill in roughly throughout my brow. To save time, I went ahead and filmed my other brow off camera. Next, I'll be taking the Makeup Revolution banana powder just to dust off the translucent powder that I set before. That way I don't have any type of flashback. Then I'll be taking the Fit Me face powder to set the rest of my foundation. And yeah. Then I'll be taking the Urban Decay contour palette and I'll be contouring my face, bronzing, and all that good jazz. So I went back and added some eyeshadow to fill in my brows just a little bit to make them more defined. That's what I do. Then I'll be taking the Maybelline concealer to carve out my brows and prime my lids. This gives it a base for the eyeshadow to make it more pigment. And I'm blending. I'll be taking the Norvina palette and the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH. I'll be going back and forth between these two palettes to get the colors that I need, but this color right here is from the Morphe 350. It's a very red shade to start out with. The next shade I'll be taking is Red Ochre. I'll be blending that a little bit below the first shade that I put down, and then I'll be taking Veteran Red as well and blending those two shades together. Then I'll be taking Volatile and Passion, mixing those two shades together and defining my crease a little bit more with them. Then I went back in my 350 palette and took this brown right here to define my crease just a little bit more. You just want to build until you see what's fit and I guess add as much definition as possible. The next color I'll be using is Summer and Rose Gold from the Norvina palette. I'll be popping that on my lid with my fingers to get maximum pigmentation. Next, I'll be taking Cypress Lumber and defining my crease just a little bit more on the outer edges. Now I'm dusting off the translucent powder. That was just to catch any type of fallout that might have occurred while applying my eyeshadow. So, yeah. And I'm just applying shadows that I already used on my eyes, on my lower lash, just to define them a little bit more and smoke out my bottom line. Now I'm contouring my nose just a little bit to give it some definition. Okay. Next, I'll be taking the Maybelline gel liner to do a wing. And I'm using a Sephora brush.
Oh. What happened?
Nothing.
I ruined my line trying to make them even.
Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild blush and popping it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm just putting some eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm taking some falsies and applying it with a Duo Lash Glue. I like this lash glue because it dries down dark and it lasts all day. Before I add on the falsies, I like to apply mascara. That way they have a firm base to stick on. Now I'll be taking the NYX Lippy in the shade Seduction to have as my lipstick. I'm adding just a little bit more contour. I dipped into the ABH palette for this, just to give myself a little bit more of a bronze. Now I'm taking the Maybelline highlight in Molten Gold and highlighting the high points of my face. Okay, that is the complete look. I hope you all enjoyed. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Jolita Lashes. And if you want to see anything else, comment down below. Thank you.